Picture this. You're still in your pajamas, coffee in hand, and your phone lights up. Payment received. $50. For a task you finished in less than an hour. No degree, no long commute, no boss looking over your shoulder. And yes, this is happening in the US and UK right now in August 2025 because a brand new freelancing wave has just hit and hardly anyone is taking advantage of it yet. It's called prompt engineering for creative AI projects, and if you've never heard of it before, you're about to see how you can turn this into a $1,000 a week work-from-home opportunity without needing to be a tech genius. But before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest money-making strategies. I share daily the ones that are working right now in America and Britain, not last year's outdated stuff. Here's the deal. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Canva's AI are everywhere. Businesses are using them. Content creators are using them. Even schools are experimenting with them. But here's the problem, most people don't know how to get the best results from these tools. Their outputs look generic, boring, and just like everyone else's. That's where you step in. Prompt engineering is all about writing the exact words and instructions that make AI produce stunning, high-quality, and completely original work. And clients are paying for that skill, big time. Why now? Because in 2025, small businesses in the US and UK are drowning in tasks. They know AI can save them time and money, but they don't have the patience to figure it out themselves. They'd rather pay someone that's you to create ready-to-use prompts for their ads, product descriptions, social media posts, blog article, or even AI-generated videos. Here's how you get started. Step 1. Pick your niche. If you like visuals, focus on MidJourney prompts for marketing images. If you like words, specialize in ChatGPT prompts for ad copy or email campaigns. If you enjoy design, create Canva AI prompts for unique branded content. Step 2. Set up your profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. Use a clear, professional title like, "I will create premium AI prompts for stunning visuals and engaging content perfect for US and UK brands." Post at least 3 examples showing what your prompts can produce. Clients need to see the transformation. Here's your first quick action. Pause for a second and tap the like button if you think getting paid to write a few lines of text sounds better than a 9-to-5 grind. And while you're at it, drop the word prompt power in the comments so I know who's serious. I'll share my free beginner's guide to prompt engineering with the first 50 people who do it. Step 3. Go find your clients. Don't wait for orders to roll in. Search LinkedIn for small business owners, marketing managers, or startups in the US and UK. Send them a short message offering 1 free sample prompt based on their niche. This shows them the results up front, and if they like it, they'll likely hire you for more. Step 4. Scale your offers. Start small at $50 per job, then move into bundles like 10 prompts plus 1 image set for $200. Eventually, you can offer a monthly subscription where you deliver new prompts every week, turning this into recurring income. I've seen beginners land their first gig in under a week just by posting sample prompts on LinkedIn and TikTok with before and after results. And remember, once you've created a good prompt, you can reuse and adapt it for future clients, making your work faster and your earnings higher. If you're ready to see your first $50 online, smash that subscribe button right now because tomorrow's video will show you exactly how to combine AI tools for triple the income. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So here's your challenge before the day ends. Create a free Fiverr or Upwork profile. Decide on 1 prompt niche and post 3 examples. By tomorrow, start reaching out to 5 potential clients. And if you follow these steps, your first payment notification might be hitting your inbox before the week is over. Don't procrastinate. Go and start now. See you in next video.